Okay, so first I'd start with notes that we talked about right now. But I need students to understand that notes होते क्या हैं? They are not something जिसमें सब कुछ important लिखा हुआ है, क्योंकि important is written in the books itself. ठीक है? What are notes? Notes have to be very much customized. They have to be very much specific to you. Things that you are unable to recall, things that you are unable to retain, are the things that should be there in your notes. Notes are not more about literature. It has to be more about keywords, the phrases, the datas, the government schemes, and that is what we say one page.
The template-based approach, I think you're talking about.
Yes, exactly.
Right.
And second thing, when people think कि day one से notes बनते हैं, नहीं, आप जो मैं अभी notes की बात कर रही हूँ, if you get panicked कि भाई मेरे 1 pages क्यों नहीं बन रहे, 1 pages आप prepared 1 month before prelims, 1 pages आप prepared 1 month before mains. उसके पहले आप नहीं prepare कर सकते, उसके पहले you have all those bulk में content which is required for conceptual clarity, which is required for building your foundation. But ये जो 1 pages है, that's what like the Shosha team pushed us कि अब notes बनते जा रहे हैं, अब धीरे-धीरे start reducing it into 1 pages.
हम लोग इसलिए initial phase में भी we ask student to prepare a full notes.
Yeah.
You cannot start with the 1 page notes.
Yeah.
आपको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा actually.
That's what I'm.
Because many freshers, they don't know how to use the data, where to use the facts,
Yes.
right? What is template-based approach? So these are the phases we are going to follow in the show short. So I think that is one of the best thing for all the beginners.
Yes, because I tell you, being a mentor also here at Vachiraman
Yes.
Ravi, I've heard students coming and telling me, "Ma'am, notes कैसे बनाएं?" And that's what I tell them again कि notes आप अभी initial phases में हो नहीं बनेगा. If your syllabus is completed, you have revised it at least thrice using the active recall process, and still you're unable to retain a particular information, that needs to be in your notes.